now I click the bell notification icon so now follow your Facebook, Instagram, net Twitter. Maybe I gossips24.com, any gossips24 TV. Now for message also be share video. I'm a for so NB ahwe. Enti sam na me no ka say breaking news. Abane say Afia Schwar ya sentence no say sebi enko demu for 10 good days. Over case oni chema Wontumi enyaye a chese okokan nsem ni bi ewo UTV United Show base so no eno na akwakofa nsem we nyina e de abre Afia Schwar. Now nsem ni nyina ne se mo be ke Afia Schwar maybe atwemu no obe allergy so oni chema Wontumi ewo afa ma lawyer Morris Ampao e be rabishi Afia Schwar claims say nsem Afia Schwar ka no enya no kre ba kumpo nim na Afia Schwar boa no obe ru Afia Schwar pioto e me Afia Schwar kwotena UTV United Show base so can say lawyer Morris Ampao so be sue na ono Afia Schwar no so lawyers ono so prepare ni lawsuit a che say da ho no ma ono so be sue or be counter sue chema Wontumi ene ne Crawford. Now UTV no kwotena so no osan so go further into nsem a ekoso between ono ene chema Wontumi no. Now wey na ye kire asem na ye na ye fisi asem na da but sana asem na da lawyer Morris Ampao a work in the talk a che say odi Afia Schwar any Dr. Father Dixon, any Kwame Plus, and Nanama Magraheb, any omo mutina show ni so including UTV, any omo akokot. Natie or saying caption in the almost just in Father Dixon, Nanama Magraheb, Kwame Plus, Mr. Logic, and Afia Schwar fined 60,000 Ghana cedis with 10-day sentence for defaming Chema Wontumi on UTV. NB, the 10-day sentence was given to Afia Schwar in addition to pay 60,000 Ghana cedis. Now, in some way, no, Nana Tonado and the back check in some new yanko, Ninko Tin Sama Nana Tonado, and the Betudiana Embra.
Yo, Ow! Nipa ya mother. Come David. I will like it. Me you like it. Saki si ala toto. Ela baby la baby you like it. Any baby. Today is the happiest day of my life. Sawaka the happiest day. Ami odi tornado. Nana automatic. Nana change gear. Nana patakojeko. So what are the happiest day of my life? And that I am happiest day of my life. Events and bribe muno. Ghana for Moka I say. Asibolanga. Bara. Toto. If you are old what day. Moka I say bribe muno. If you are Schwar. Eko tina UTV. United Showbiz. Ema odi femi. Chairman Wontumi, Ashanti Regional Minister. Chairman Wontumi quite too bad to me. Chairman Wontumi quite too bad to me. Chairman, but you will be a Obama, Michelle. I salute you, sir. That for what I said. Asibolanga, Echo United Showbiz song. A reality show. I am Anama Magraheb, a hostie. Echo defaming Chairman Wontumi. Ebadari is some baby or Ghana ha. Show this no, na Kwame Plus, will show this to be. Mr. Logic, will show this to be. I think 1 or 2 people we are a reality show no. In some of the course, the video. I can say, send you a reality show. A handle situation with United Showbiz this one. 1 year, ever met on quite fair for the Dixon said, Father, in your money, I to TV this one, and some castle. Let a UTV for ever apologize here, but like I say, a seminal ever court. And no words, you know, Mr. Logic, I don't know as a Dasuba Jamano, on the Kwame video, Eddie Matem, or no doubt, Miss Morty, on the Eddie Matem. Nitty for the sir. Nitty sir. God of way, and Asibolanga, Father Dixon, a reality show, Mr. Logic. Kwame Plus, I'm a court no ruling no say and a choir no. Ya fine Father Dixon 60,000 Ghana cedis. Ewo court honum. Ya fine a reality show 60,000 Ghana cedis. Ewo court. Ya fine Kwame Plus 60,000 Ghana cedis. Ewo court. And ya fine Mr. Logic 60,000 Ghana cedis. Ewo court. Na bunim dia ya de wo mu no Asibolanga, Bara, oh, what they fear, toto, be cheap. Galafwa, you find the Fiat was like 60,000 Ghana cedis, you know. And I am my Fiat was like 10 days imprisonment. It's a kind of way. If Fiat was like is going to prison for 10 days with a fine of 60,000 Ghana cedis. It's apart from father, around Italia, Kwabie Plus, and Mr. Logic Diano. If Fiat was like Kwabie, you're finding the 60,000 Ghana cedis with 10 days imprisonment. It's a kind of war. I said, no. Moment, Monka, no, Bianchi say Fiat was like 10 days imprisonment with 60,000 Ghana cedis. Chara, to me, to me. Congratulations, sir. If you neighbor, my best friend, Hawaii. Aye, baby.
One day, OTA, Chessa, if you was nigger, some media, you sue no, our court. You sue a movie, you know, for the Dixon Mon and Magraheb money at the according to another court in Emma Musika, a Trasican editor Mutiso. Now, so if you was nigger, acquired the Traska to Mitiso, and a summary, ya sentencing to 10 days, so on Konon 10 days. Aha, your gossip for update a baby with Chibia, Mebo Moding, Eddie Muchemo, Abro, Magraheb.